Just
Oh,
hold on.
okay.
We're doing something with the system. Okay, we're good now. Mr. Martin, you have ticket number P1474091. The People versus John, John Martin. Madam Court Reporter, I apologize. I didn't call it. I'll call your name and ask, were you ready to proceed? Are we good?
I am. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, I apologize. Mr. Martin, you have one ticket. It is driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, sir. Um, unless, so you don't have that vehicle is not registered today, is it?
No, but it is in the process. I had to get the insurance for it first. I was working from home, so I didn't really need to drive it, so it lapsed. So now,
Well, sir, I'm not sure I follow your logic. So you only have a car to go to work and nothing else in life. So you said you're working from home, so you don't need to drive. So that just means you don't need to drive to work. That don't mean you don't need to drive. So
yeah,
so.
correct. I just, like I said, I wasn't using it so where I stay, everything like kind of right there by it, and my spouse has a car as well.
All right, where are we? All right, I guess I don't need all that explanation.
Yes.
Counsel, what are we going to do on this
For
matter?
the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinek, P53750, appearing on behalf of John Martin. First of all, this is an arraignment on a bench warrant. We're asking for the bench warrant to please be set aside. We do stand.
Right, as soon as he showed up today, we set it aside. So
fabulous. Okay, so not guilty plea is entered on behalf of him. I've had an opportunity to discuss this matter with John Martin. He does state to me he would like a little more time to get his registration. As such, we're asking for another pre-trial in this matter.
all right. Okay. I mean, how much time do you need? To register your car, sir, all you got to do is go to the Secretary of State and register the car. It's not like there's any barriers are in there. It's not like you can't get insurance. That might be an issue for other reasons, but I can't imagine anything that stops you from getting a registration other than going to the Secretary of State and presenting your information. And you have to do it every year to get new plates. So how much time is that going to take just to do that, sir?
So with the process of place, does it also cost a fee as well?
So every year, and I'm not sure why I'm answering this question, because every year that you have a car, you got to get a new tab for your vehicle. And when you do that, the process is registering the vehicle again. Every year you have to re-register, get a new registration and a new plate on your car. So unless you've never done that before, I can't understand what you're asking me. Gotcha.
So it's not that I never done it before. It's that, so I'm not from Michigan, so the rules down south are a little bit different when it comes to the plate and tags. But I would try to get as soon as possible. Can you give me like 2 weeks? Is that okay?
Madam Clerk, what date can we give him? All right, sir. I give you 30 days, Mr. Martin.
Okay.
From today's date will be November the 20th. November the 20th.
Okay.
All right. We'll see you back on that date, sir.
All right, no problem. Will I be able to get any information regarding court or anything, or so I can...
No, come back on November the 20th. Come back the same way you did today. Come back into this courtroom. So
okay, November the 20th.
Yes, at 8:30 a.m., sir. We see you show up, you show your information, and we're good.
All right, I'll put that on my calendar. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
You're waiting to hear from Sydney, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, I mean,
Hey, good morning, Melissa. It's Sydney. How are you?
I'm good. Sydney, you want to go in a breakout room?
The judge isn't on the bench and I'm in the courtroom. Real quick on Miles, it'll be a dismissal.
Oh, it is a dismissal. Okay, fabulous.
Madam Clerk just let me know that he paid the civil infraction. That was my plea. So I'll dismiss the misdemeanors.
Okay, well then, you know what? I have no issue with that. That's easy.
Complain.
Okay, can't complain about that one. How you doing?
I'm good. How about you? Happy Friday. This nice, light docket.
I know. I mean, this is a really light docket. Very light docket. So, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
And I think there's one other person, right? We did
that person's already done. I put that one over for another pretrial. He wants to try and get his, registration. So he just
All
needed
right.
a little more time. So I just put him over. So he's done already.
No problem. All right, and then a dismissal. Working you too hard today, Melissa.
I know. And a dismissal. Fabulous news. All right. Well, that was worth waiting for. I'm sure my client will be happy. Let me go let him know.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Okay, good. Let me know. Sorry.
Crystal. Have a good weekend.
Okay, you too. Have a good weekend. Okay.
So the judge stepped away to run upstairs to 437 real quick, but once he comes back, we can go ahead and call it. So Cynthia,
Yes.
I'm trying to buy stuff for their costumes, right? So
Did you- I thought
Huh?
they were gonna be the football play. No, I thought they were gonna be, football and cheerleader.
they are, but I need stuff for their outfits. I like to make it as realistic as possible. So I'm on the Target website and I'm like, I always be putting my number in to earn these rewards, but I don't never see where the rewards go. So I just clicked this button and something that was going to be $37 is now $13.
Wow. I need to find out, how do you do that?
It's like every time you order something from Target, you got to make sure you sign up for the Target circle and then put your phone number in.
Oh, Target. I thought you meant Amazon. Okay.
Oh, well, yeah, with Prime, I get points with that too, but I haven't figured out how to use them.
Right. Okay. Wow. Nice.
Council, I was letting you know that the judge stepped away to 437. He's helping with their docket, so he will be back in a few minutes.
No problem. All right. And just making sure that the cases that we're dismissing are, because you had a different ticket number than what was on my docket. On my docket, I've got the ones ending in 33841 and 23481, correct?
Yes, the
Perfect.
reason why those two are being dismissed because he paid the civil infraction that was attached to one of those tickets. So
All right.
she did.
Yep. Okay. Well, he's fine. So he's happy. So, and then this afternoon is sign and fly. Is that what it is?
Yes.
Got it. All right. Perfect. All right. Sounds good. All right.
Crystal, does Judge Gary have a busy day?
No, they didn't. At first they didn't have anything at all. So
Wow.
I think it's just one retained matter. So hopefully, he does that quickly and come back.
I know, right?
Our Friday is generally pretty light. Or
It
depends.
depends.
Yeah. All right. We're still recording, you know that.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. All right. All right, very good. All right, so I'm